Goodbye, little alarm clock. You've given me great times. Lately, time's been slipping away from you. Why you've given up on me, I don't know. Alarm clock, don't be sour. You're losing all your power. It's your 11th hour, time to go. I got you when I was 10. Things were simpler then. You woke me up in time for the early bird show. And later on that day, you woke me up okay, in time for Simon Townsend's Wonderworld. I slept a lot as a kid. Oh, alarm clock, all the things we did. Well, you didn't do much, you just sat there making noise, and now that's what I do for a living. Goodbye, little alarm clock. You've given me great times. Lately, time's been slipping away from you. Why you giving up on me, I don't know. Alarm clock, don't be sour. You're losing all your power. It's your 11th hour, time to go. And when my teenage years unfurled, when I brought home a girl, you sat and watched and never judged me once. But no matter who it was, they came second because alarm clock, it's always your face that I saw. I was a pretty weird kid. They said I loved you, and I did. But they can keep their skateboards, 'cause you go backwards and forwards, not unlike words like Glenelg or Boo.
Goodbye, little alarm clock, goodbye. How could I ever replace you? Maybe I should get one of those atomic clocks. That would suit me just well.
Why you've given up on me, I don't know. Alarm clock, don't be sour. You're losing all your power. It's your 11th hour, time to go.
Goodbye, alarm clock.